Comparing fractions with the same numerator when the upper part is the same. A good way to imagine this is to think you are dividing the same thing into different number of places. So I have 9 things and I'm dividing it into 2. And you have same 9 things and you're dividing into 3. You have another same 9 thing and you're dividing into 8. Now look at it. Which of the parts after division do you think will be the biggest? Right? Definitely the one you are dividing into 2, because each of the parts will be 4 and half. And then this will be about 3 exactly. And this will be 1 and just a part. So what is it with fractions with the same numerator? The one with the smallest denominator is the biggest. So this is the biggest. 9 over 2, in fact the way it's been arranged, then followed by 9 over 3, then this will be the smallest. And so we can say that this already is in descending order from the biggest to the smallest. That's the descending order. And then we can say that if we move from this direction to this direction, that's from the smallest, that's from the smallest to the biggest, right? This will be ascending order. Descending from biggest to smallest, ascending from smallest to biggest. Let's see another example. So let's see these fractions. We have 15 over 3. Let me make that 15 over 4. We have 15 over 4. And then we have the same 15, the same numerator, over 6. And then we also have 15 over 2. Let's arrange these in ascending order. Which one of them is the smallest? Ascending is from smallest to biggest. So which one is the smallest? Which one will have the smallest part? The one that you're dividing into 6. The higher the denominator, the smaller that fraction will be, the part, right? So this is the smallest, that's 15 over 6, followed by this, that's 15 over 4, and then this is the biggest, that's 15 over 2. That's because when you're dividing something, same thing, into different numbers of parts, the more places you have to divide it, the smaller that part. So that's the way to think about it when you're comparing fractions with the same numerator.